Hi YouTube, this is Mr. Everything. I have two different pieces of music, so which one's better? I got Lift Every Voice and Sing. I got two different, well, it's not two different pieces, but it's two different parts. I mean, like a flat and a sharp, so you'll understand. That's the one, and this one is the other one. So that's how it works that way. I'm going to show you another song in a different video, so yeah. But then it goes like this. Okay, and I think it goes like this for the other one. See, that's why I don't know exactly the other one. So, let me know what you think, which one's better, the first one or the second one. So, I'll see you later. Bye now.